Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Dodge Durango. First, ensure your workspace is clean and dust-free. Begin by meticulously cleaning the entire vehicle surface with a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution to remove all waxes and contaminants. Next, carefully remove any emblems, door handles, and trim pieces. This crucial step ensures a smooth, professional finish without any obstructions. Finally, measure and pre-cut your vinyl sections, allowing for an overlap of at least 2 to 3 inches on all sides. Now, let's apply the vinyl. Start by peeling back a small section of the backing paper. Position the vinyl carefully, then use a squeegee to smooth it onto the surface, working from the center outwards to push out air bubbles. For curved areas, gently heat the vinyl with a heat gun to make it more pliable, allowing it to stretch and conform without creasing. Overlap your panels by about 1/2 to 1 inch to create a strong, weather-resistant seam. With the vinyl applied, it's time for the finishing touches. Using a very sharp knife, carefully trim away any excess vinyl, following the natural body lines and panel gaps of your Durango. Take your time to achieve clean, precise cuts. Once trimmed, go back over all edges and corners with your heat gun, post-heating them to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps the vinyl adhere permanently and prevents lifting. Finally, reinstall all the emblems, trim pieces, and door handles you removed earlier. To keep your wrapped Durango looking its best, proper care is essential. Wash it regularly with a mild automotive soap and water, using a soft sponge or microfiber cloth. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, harsh chemicals, or high-pressure washers, as these can damage the vinyl and compromise its adhesion. With proper care, your wrap can last for many years, protecting your vehicle's original paint. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.